If you recall, about a year ago, I came across this Weber kettle here. I picked it off the curb here in the neighborhood. A homeowner had placed it on the curb, said he no longer needed it. So I swooped by and there it was, and I put it in the car, and here it's just been sitting here. So thought about time that I do something about it. So for the past couple of months I had been purchasing items to either replace the Weber kettle parts or add to it. So this is going to be multiple videos of me putting this Weber kettle essentially together on how I want it to be. It's going to come out a little different looking than what you see right now, so I'm happy about that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off first is by using this right here, this brand new one-touch cleaning system right here. I'm going to replace it with the old one. The old one, it's rusted out, so it's about time to replace it with a new one here. And let's get to that and I'll show you how to do it. You can see why I need to replace it. Yeah, that's not going to work, right? So, see how rusted out it is. I'm assuming that it's been outside for a majority of its time, and maybe having stopped being used too, and it got this way. So I'm going to replace it. So I'm going to flip it upside down onto a table. Alright, so here it is. So you see it's pretty rusted, and there's a certain way that they get removed, and you gotta twist it, and it goes inside through these two parts right here, and you can pull it out. So let me show you how. Instructions are to use a flathead, get it in between. You see the handle right there, and then you turn it, and then you're able to get it through and then pull it out. So I don't know if you can see. Let's get it to focus. I could turn it right here. We got this part right here that you're supposed to use a flathead and stick it in right here to help it loosen it, and then you get it, and I don't know if you can tell, but there's an opening right about there. See it right there? The middle part then supposed to go through that right there, and then you can pull it out or wiggle it out probably, or hammer it out, or because I mean this is rusted, so let's give it a shot. Feel it loose. Alright, so alright, it's coming out. It's coming. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get a hammer and see if I can beat it out of there. There it is. There it is. I just needed a good old hammer to beat it out of there. Let's see. So, you know, these can be easy and they can be difficult to remove. You just gotta get you a flathead, get it in there, loosen it up, and then turn. If it's still not able to turn, you get some pliers. Grab on the pliers if you can't do it by hand, you know, and try to twist it so you can get it in. So you can get it in through right there and just pull it out. Yeah. So, not too bad, not too bad. There's a better look at it. See, it comes right through there. Alright. So yeah, look how bad that is. Man. Yeah. And I just used a flathead and just popped it right off. Yeah. That's that. No more for that. So this is going to go to the trash. And then voila. The new cleaning system right here. But before I add on to it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it on the inside. Look how dirty that is. And on the outside of it. That's going to be the next thing. Like I mentioned, it's going to be multiple videos on this Weber Kettle right here, putting it together, either replacing parts or adding on to it. It's going to be a journey that I want to take everyone on. So look out for those videos. They'll be posted up soon after this one, obviously. But that's what's going on. Going to be next. I'm going to clean it. And once that's all clean, and then I'll add on the new cleaning system to it. Yeah, so I'm excited about that, and I'm ready for it to come out the way that I'm hoping it's going to come out to be. I bought some stuff off Amazon that you know, put some color to it, and I mean, it's gonna look pretty neat. I mean, that's what I think. It's all in my head, so we'll see how it comes out. It may not come out nice, but we'll see. There's nothing fancy to it, nothing special about it, but it gives it more better looking than just you know, regular old Weber Kettle. So, you know, happy about that. All right, folks. Well, I'm gonna look forward to doing the next video, which, like I mentioned, is going to be cleaning on the inside and the out. And once that's done, and then I'll add on the new cleaning system to it. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So look out for the next video and keep coming by, because after that it's going to be the next one, the next one, the next one, until this whole thing is complete. And then after that will be a cook. Put it to work, see what it can do, right? Well, as always, you know, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching, and smoke on, everyone.